Jesus. What is up, my gang? Welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for clicking. I'm sure by the thumbnail you know what we doing, what's going on, but you wanted the details, and I'm here to give you the details. This is the longest I've seen my hair, like, ever. For real, y'all. Nah, when I was little, I had the long hair. You know that story. But first things first. You gotta have the music right on wash day. For any good wash day, you have to have the right music, okay? R&B is usually the vibe for me. But yeah, just get you the best playlist going. It just, it puts you in that state to like, okay, I'm gonna get this done and I'm gonna do it right and I'm gonna have patience today. Anyways, back to the hair. I've really been slacking on this lately. I have not been doing my 4 sections. When prepping your hair for a protective style, you definitely want your hair the cleanest and you want it the most moisturized. And to get that, I like to shampoo. I like to do my whole wash day in 4 sections. Today, this is the shampoo we're using. To get the cleanest hair possible, you want to use something that is going to clean, so not like a co-wash, but something that's actually going to get rid of product buildup. And this is an amazing shampoo for that. Charcoal is an amazing ingredient for deeply cleaning your hair and your scalp, and we want a clean scalp, especially if we're getting some braids. Our scalp is going to be exposed. There's going to be a lot of parting and a lot of product being added to our scalp while getting protective styles, specifically braids. To also make sure that my scalp is being clean, I'm going to use a scalp massager. And another reason why this shampoo is amazing, it has little micro beads in it that helps revitalize your scalp, which is, hence the name or whatever. And before I move on to my next step, I am shampooing twice. I shampoo twice. If you're new to this channel, guess what? I shampoo twice. Maybe you should be shampooing twice too. I'm just saying, it really cleans the hair, and I think clean hair is healthy hair. Clean hair leads to length retention. We don't want dirty hair going into a protective style. That's just not it. And after stripping all of that product away, of course, we need to follow up with some deep conditioning, and this is the best, okay? Well, one of the best. And it is also from the same line, BRIOGEO. And I'm just thinking, do I want to go ahead and add it after shampooing? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, just because I know that I'm going to be working on the section right next to it and I don't want to get shampoo in that section. It's honestly a preference thing. If you feel like your hair is too dry to be sitting without anything, I would definitely recommend to go ahead and put that deep conditioner on your hair while you're working on the other sections. But my hair, I've been so consistent. When you're consistent, like, your hair really doesn't ask much. Like, if you give it the time and the energy, it's not going to be begging you for time and energy later down the line. I just felt comfortable just letting it kind of sit there while I do this other section. As you can see, there's shampoo getting on it, but honestly, it's not the end of the world if you get some product in the other section or whatever. It's gonna be rinsed out. And if you do have deep conditioner sitting on it right now, I would just say maybe add a little bit more. Since I'm done with the back half of my hair, I'm gonna just go ahead and add it and twist it one up. Y'all, this deep conditioner is the truth. I've just been finger detangling this wash day. This is just me doing the same thing to each section. You want to treat each section the same. Look how juicy those curls are. Yeah, and to make the curls even juicier, I'm going to go sit under a hooded dryer for 30 minutes. And you can tell, like, my hair is just so bouncy. Again, another thing I've been slacking on that I really want to get back to, because I want to focus on growing my hair out a little bit longer. I love the length it's at now, but deep conditioning under a hooded dryer is, my hair absolutely loves it, and I need to start going back into that routine. I lately have just been, walking around with the deep conditioner on my hair with the shower cap, but really I should just sit down, relax, read a book, because the curls are just giving. Okay, look how juicy. You looking for some juicy curls? Shampoo twice with a really good shampoo and deep condition, and sit under a hooded dryer with some heat. Your hair is gonna thank you. Okay, and that's enough of this dramatic wash day. Let's get into the let's get into the blow drying. Another tip that I have when you're about to blow dry your hair, use a t-shirt. Do not use a towel when trying to like get that excess water off. A t-shirt is just going to help with frizz. The products that I'm using today, if you checked out this video, shout out to you. I've done like a little review on this thermal protection from Uncle Funky's daughter before. Love it. I'm a fan. 10 out of 10. Definitely get it if you're looking for a thermal protection that's like serum-y and it'll, you know, help you smooth out your hair. Again, I'm still finger detangling. I feel like the less tools you use, the less hair you're going to rip out. Like your fingers will really help you guide to not rip out as much hair. But in this video, what I'm doing different today with my blow drying, I'm gonna actually use that Uncle Funky's daughter product with this 𝐲 product. If you watch the video, you know that like I love this 𝐲 product, but the Uncle Funky's daughter is like the perfect dupe, honestly, because it's like half the price. But I'm gonna mix both of them and see if I can get an even smoother blow dry session. And then I'm also gonna use this heat protectant by 𝐲 that I've been really loyal to. Even in my straightening my hair until it was completely heat damaged days. Another tool I've been faithful to since I've gotten it, which is the Revlon one hand hair dryer. It's so dirty, y'all. I need to wash it. Like, I need to wash it. It is so gross, but I love it so much that I'm still gonna use it, which is terrible. But if you haven't used this blow dryer, you need to, because it's amazing. It's so easy to use. It makes life so much easier, and it has 3 settings, I believe. The first one is like a low or like a high cool. It's like a cool setting, and then a low heat, and then a high heat. I use the low heat, and it works perfect every time. I haven't noticed any heat damage. I've also haven't been straightening my hair. I feel like that's something that should be said. I've just been blow drying my hair. But yeah, I use these 3 products, and what I can say about these 3 products, if you can afford the 𝐲 is not going to let you down. The 𝐲 know what they're doing. They are like specialists in heat protectant styling products. It was definitely an easy, smooth wash day. Woo! Jesus! Yeah, I got a lot of hair, so it was a lot. But we got through it, and I was low-key rushing, which is, you know, terrible. I feel like I could have got my hair a little bit straighter, but I did throw some cornrows in it. And then I went to go pick up my braider, who I absolutely adore. I'm gonna have her Instagram for y'all, because the braids was braiding, okay? She is located in VA only. Yeah, the cornrows will help, especially if you're blow drying your hair the day before. I would definitely recommend putting your hair in some like pigtails or some cornrows. That will help it stay stretched out. Even when I had it in for like that 30 minutes, it helped my hair stretch out a little bit more. About to get my hair braided. Bon appetit. And this was the final look. Y'all, she did her thing. That's all I gotta say. I hope y'all got something from this video. Let me know. Much love. Until next time, deuces.